今次第一次同佢合作，其實開頭係有啲緊張，無論係準備嘅過程啦，然之後但係我覺得同香港導演其中一個合作令我最深刻嘅一 part 係佢點樣去街我去進入佢嘅世界。我記得有一場戲係喺殺完爸爸之後喺便利店出邊嘅一場戲，咁嗰場戲拍咗3-4 剔都未係好中導演嘅狀態，咁導演過嚟再加入去嘅時候，佢嗰時就講咗一套戲嘅其中一幕，佢用咗 Taxi Driver 嘅其中一幕，去話俾我聽，你可唔可以試下去形容，因為佢形容嗰一幕形容得非常之清晰，好仔細，令到我可以幻想到佢想要嘅當刻嘅嗰個感覺同埋嗰個世界觀。咁呢個加我入戲嘅方式係我之前同其他導演合作嘅時候我都未試過，所以喺今次同埋因為Herman係一個佢除咗導演之外，佢係一個好勁嘅攝影師啊。咁電影入邊有啲唔同鏡頭擺位，有時會擺完係 A 呢一個位之後咧，佢可能會轉一轉，呢個有啲唔啱，我想再擺另一個位。咁我每次有呢啲情況下咧，我都會問導演，導演啊，點解咧你會咁樣做嘅？點解你會咁樣擺嘅？咁我每一次問佢嘅時候，佢都會好認真、好詳細。縱使嗰陣時喺現場嘅情況要講緊拍攝咧，都係會有啲趕急嘅，但係佢都係會花時間去解答咗我嘅問題。咁所以我覺得今次除咗佢係一個 director 之外，佢對於我嚟講都係一個好嘅老師。
So there are two reasons. First of all, Herman is really good at guiding me into the world. I'll give an example. There's a scene after Feist kills his father and we're outside the convenience store. And we did 3 or 4 takes and I still couldn't get it right. So Herman approached me and he described to me this scene from Taxi Driver. He described it really well and to sort of tell me what this scene should play like. So the way he describes it was just guiding me into this world. It's just really amazing. And then secondly, because Herman is also a cinematographer, so when he's shooting on set, he would do one angle and then he would suddenly switch to another angle. So when I asked him, director, why did you do that? Even when we're rushing to finish the shoot, he would take the time to seriously explain everything to me. So it really felt like he was more than a director, he really was a teacher.